This is a 3.7 volt battery, and these are some LEDs, and we connected capacitor in parallel to the terminals of the LED. The capacitor which is connected to this LED is a 100 microfarad capacitor. I will show you the effect of DC voltage to a capacitor. This is 47 microfarad capacitor. Here also we have connected the LED on it. This is 220 microfarad capacitor, which is double the size of a 100 microfarad capacitor, and this one is 470 microfarad capacitor, and this one is 1000 microfarad capacitor, and finally we have connected a 2200 microfarad capacitor on it. I am connecting this 3.7 volt power supply to this LED, and I am not continuously giving the power supply to this LED. Instead of that, I am giving a single shot. Please watch the LED after this single shot. It will light up at full brightness, then slowly fading and become zero. This is because the charge of the capacitor is discharging to the LED. That is why it is showing the fading effect. Now I will connect a 100 microfarad capacitor and will show you this action. The 100 microfarad capacitor will charge double the charge of a 47 microfarad capacitor. That is why the discharge time will increase now. The reason why the discharging is happening very rapidly, that is because we haven't given a current limiting resistor to this LED. Now we will try using a 220 microfarad capacitor, which is double the size of a 100 microfarad capacitor. You can see how much charge it is storing in the capacitor. The storing of charge in the capacitor depends upon the quality of the capacitor. This 220 MFT is not acting well. This is a 1000 microfarad capacitor, and let's see how much charge it can store. Definitely it can store much more charge than the previous one. The more the capacitance, the more the charge it can store. If we are giving a current limiting resistor, then the backup time will be much more. I will definitely add a short video on that. See, the LED is still lighting, and now with 220 microfarad capacitor. If you believe that this video is very much helpful to you, then please click like button and also share this to your friends. The property of a capacitor is, when you are giving a DC source across its terminal, it will store the charge. When you are giving an AC source, then it will bypass it from one terminal to another. Very interesting, isn't it? Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.